$50,000 for $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the Moontrain.
This is how you become a day trader.
Well, I have just finished testifying. I answered every one of their questions as fully as I could, based.
Oh my God, Heel Dog is back. What do we make of this? Had some good trades today. Missed a lot of that. Caught this Ripper here. A lot of individuals. So what's going on? I'll show you what's going on. Exactly what's going on. Here you see this market is now set up to absolutely shit the bed. Will it? That remains to be seen. I'll show you on this. This is a cleaner chart. You can see it's so good here. Obviously, you're well. I call this chart the Fib chart, the Cinema chart, and the other one's the FOMC chart. So, what do we got going on here? This was the first sell, right? Okay. Then we spent all week trying to get over that. Couldn't fucking do it. As soon as we do though, it's a gap up. So we skip resistance altogether and we go and backfill this sell here, right here. Then obviously I was holding calls for 695, whatever it was. They pulled that move on Nvidia, sold it, insert a new ghost. Okay, check this out. Reject right at open. Go and gap fill this shit here. Come down off of some bogus support. Goes back, tries to get over a level Magneto. Can't fucking do it. Why? Because it's still on lockdown. So, sell 1, sell 2. This is fucking set up so hard to go to oh shit level like tomorrow. Now, with that said, if this bearish ass pattern, obviously it closed better and then more rando news, if this invalidates, at this point in time, it goes to Valhalla and donuts. So, huge volatility. We've got these two ghosts right here after hours from where we closed. I doubt we get over that in tonight's session. I did point out in the chat, I said this move, my indicator said that this move was fake. And that, what did I say in the chat? Well, it's there. I said 685.47. Where did we go? We went to 685.47. I also added it is very motherfucking important that it holds, and I wanted this to just drift up here. It said no at this little ghosty, and this better hold. You can't use up this level again. Okay, you can see it here. Like we've eaten up fucking orders right now. If this goes down, QQQ shows it even better. There's fucking nothing but beef jerky all the way to feel this week. That's a ghost. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow you're gonna trade QQQ sub 600 unless the data and some bogus saves this and you fucking go here. Pretty wild. Even the nodes agree. You can get up here. That's right. They're all scrambled. Okay, so obviously we traded Apple off the lows today. Apple has their event on Monday. I'm old enough to remember that they pump this shit into the events and then they sell the events. like every fucking time. And a touchscreen laptop, I don't know. Okay, watching Apple. So Googling the close. There's some action going on here. Okay. On watch tomorrow. It did it again. It did it again. It sure as fuck did it again. It did it again so hard. It did it again so hard. Yeah. They were even wondering about it on Bloomberg. I mean, yeah, what do you expect? We traded this today, sold it at the close. This was, as I said, Smoky Marlboro Reds inside a fucking restaurant in 2026. Like, I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna first I'm gonna sell $40 more, then I'm gonna rip right back up. Okay? Little bro here, not at all following along. Sold my longs today up there. Trying a bounce play into tomorrow. We'll see. Who knew? I mean, I shouldn't be surprised that Grinder is up this much. I shouldn't be surprised at all. Look at the fucking state of affairs. Played IBM this morning. It was ripping while everything was tanking. Remember? And here. Then when everything started ripping, it tanked. Top ticked it twice. Missed Dell, which I didn't even realize they had earnings. I just remember when Trump had his State of the Union, he was saying how Michael Dell is the fucking best shit since Melania coin. We're in this. If the market shits the bed tomorrow, maybe this one rips. Every time D-Nut has ripped, no, it teleported all the way. Valhalla is up here. You know, go fucking feel that week. We were in this, right? Usually the market tanks when that happens. CRM flush. Baba was not a great idea. Baba front ran it all. Palantir after hours pop and fade. Netflix pop. If that has faded, might be worth watching it tomorrow. Crypto names did not have a day two. Shocking. Amazon. I mean, Google. I mean, honestly, guys, Google. Maybe tomorrow is 0DT. So Friday, you know what I'm doing? I'm playing Apple. And I'll be not playing tomorrow, but I'll be playing JPM. JPM at these after hours, it's front running everything right now. Also, you want a good laugh? Look at that. Look at that shit. You mean to fucking tell me with a straight face that the Namo is the fucking same as yesterday? How? How in the actual fuck do you do that? Because that's pretty ass. Let's pretend it just fucking ran with Apple, right? How is that possible? It shouldn't be. I mean, that's ridiculous. That's what we're dealing with here. Put and call ratio in the shitter right now. Oh yeah, the VIX, the fucking VIX. We gave it up, right? Bounced right back, came down. We didn't even fucking go near where we were yesterday when the VIX was here. last time we were there, when the VIX was here, well, pretty close, I guess. They just cooked a bunch of people in between. But yeah, here you see. This was so fast through the gap that you had to go backfill that gap. So again, this is a pretty fucking bearish picture, and that target should print, you should be fucking able to get down here. There's my buy in the money one day out. If we get that dude into the weekend, the fractal says that we fucking rip into Monday, fade all next week, and that the high is, for whatever fucking reason, it says the high is March 10th. Then you got daylight saving. I'm gonna have to start getting up an hour earlier. I'm not about it. But I was just approved for my 5-year visa in Thailand. So I'm gonna be fucking off soon. That's gonna be exciting. I'll be trading. Well, I mean, I was there last summer. You know how we traded. I called this Ghost live on voice today, which is the reason why we sold Meta, Google. We sold a bunch of the 690s at 102% left runners. But I am holding 686s from here. We've gone here after hours now. So it would be very weird to gap underneath this. I've actually never seen that. I've only seen them go like that. So you either reclaim this whole move tonight, or they're scooping orders down here and they're gonna gap this up and come down. So again, here's NVIDIA, okay? Look, I'm asking it to pick up 4 dark pool zones. On QQQ, I have 1, but this is the 4th largest dark pool cell ever, supposedly, okay? So, I have yet to verify. I'm gonna do it right now if there is a gap, if there's actually a gap right fucking there, because that's gonna matter. And if you don't know how to do it, this is how you do it. Oh! Oh, that's a fucking gap right there. That means that will fill at some point. We're gonna lay out some bait right here so that we know to get the fuck out in time. Yeah. Oh, aren't you glad you watched this? Otherwise, you might have missed that. Okay. So, if the bears are fucking high-fiving right now again, you know what I mean? Like, oh bro, my puts are gonna fucking print. You open over this with PPI and you don't shit the bed, you're gonna fucking go right back here. Okay? Still leaves you sucking ass in the range, but it's something. I mean, I didn't play NDX calls in the day on this move personally, but they ran 800%. I wish I did. But, and again, I just want to show you, right? This is what happened to me today, which is why, yeah, I'm happy, but I'm kind of like, I caught the knife on this candle and we went up here. Well, there's a big difference between fucking 686.30 and 684.40. It's a $2 difference. And I had SPX here, it was looking good, came back up, but then he went and fucking stopped me out. So for most of this candle, I was feeling SPY for Friday. So had I fucking just bought here, I would have ripped SPX. Probably I wouldn't have held it up to here, but to here. But right now, I mean, if this is not a scoop and a higher low, if this is a higher low, dude, you could go fucking mental at least for the IB session. And the faster you get up here, if it's a half-hour ripper algo tomorrow, for the love of God, do not fucking start buying calls when it starts going sideways. That then means that you take 0 DTEs cheap for this. I cannot recall, I mean, I'm sure it's happened, but many goes that, let's say we gap down and then you're supposed to like, what, supposed to trade? No, this needs to come from above, just like it goes to the upside. You don't gap over it, you come at it from beneath. So anyways, you see this big fucking, look at that. That's crazy, dude. It's all one fucking block right there. Huge fucking order. What kind of threw me off today, I mean, it is clear here on SPY. Sell algo is starting to sell way before, right? Dark pool was buying, okay? And QQQ all fucking day flow. So I'm wondering if this is some type of fake dip. Obviously, I know this is getting long here, sorry. Here's the closing GEX. You want to be opening over 687, let's go to 692. Okay, the alternatives, look at that. It's a fuck, somebody knew it. Who the fucking Pakistan and Afghanistan? Okay, come on, man, like get out of here already. Tomorrow you either go to 690, which is the hockey stick, you open underneath here, you're seeing 680, probably picks up steam and goes all the way down there. That's why I'm hoping on hockey stick. Fucking, I'll be loving everybody if you can gap me on some good news up to here, but that's not happening. Not with this after hours sell. No fucking way. So anyways, that's the dealio. That we had the low on the 17th on the new moon. This should be the fucking high. Now it's telling me, the fractal saying that the third quarter is the high. So we're gonna play a pop into this, then this move's gonna fade, and that's the move we wanna catch. March 10th, you start buying end of March puts. Please, I'm asking all of you to spam in the chat for me to do the same, okay? I don't want to miss that move. I'm gonna be sitting in some fucking $40 in the money puts and flying. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, gang. See you tomorrow. Love you all. God bless.
We're riding with the Moontrain.